प्रिय बच्चों, वेलकम यू शौकत अली केमिस्ट्री क्लासेज. Today we start the most important member of halogen family, chlorine. Chlorine was discovered by Scheele in 1775 for by reaction between manganese dioxide and concentrated HCl. This greenish yellow gas was named as chlorine on account of its color. Berthollet named this gas oxymuriatic acid, and Davy proved that it is an element. Being highly reactive, chlorine gas does not occur in free state. It is widely distributed in nature in the combined state in the form of chlorides of various metals like sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, potassium chloride are its important metallic salts, which occurs mainly in seawater and rocks. It occurs as HCl in the mixture of gases. Methods of preparation. First, laboratory method. Chlorine gas was obtained by heating manganese dioxide with concentrated HCl. MnO2 plus 2HCl gives MnCl2 plus H2O plus nascent oxygen, and nascent oxygen react with hydrochloric acid to give HCl plus Cl2 plus H2O. रिएक्शन हो गई MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Small quantity of MnO2 taken in a round bottom flask fitted with a thistle funnel whose lower end of remains dipped in HCl and a derivative concentrated HCl added to a thistle funnel whose lower end of remains dipped in HCl. The contents are heated gently. Yellowish green Cl2 gas is obtained, which is contaminated with water vapor and HCl gas. The gas evolved are first passed through water to remove HCl and then in concentrated sulfuric acid to remove water vapor. The dry and pure chlorine gas is finally collected in a gas jar by upward displacement of air. है क्या? एक राउंड बॉटम फ्लास्क fitted thistle funnel and delivery tube. The delivery tube is connected with a bottle of water and other bottle of concentrated sulfuric acid. The round bottom flask is heated. Chlorine gas is obtained in which impurity of HCl is present, so it is passed in H2O bottle where HCl is dissolved, and then the gaseous mixture is passed in H2SO4 where water vapor absorbed and chlorine is obtained. Manufacturing method. Industrial process. At industrial basis, chlorine is obtained by two methods. Number one, Deacon process. Second, electrolytic process. Deacon process, it is important method for the preparation of chlorine. It is a old method and nowadays it is not used. Principle: in this process, chlorine gas is prepared by the oxidation of HCl gas by air at 450 degrees Celsius in the presence of cupric chloride catalyst. For HCl plus O2 gives 2H2O plus Cl2. The plant used for the preparation of chlorine by Deacon process is shown in figure. In this figure, there are 4 chambers. Number 1, oxidation chamber or catalytic chamber. Second, cooler. Third, washing tower, and fourth, adsorption tower. Method: in the catalyst chamber, porous earthenware immerged with cupric chloride is kept and its temperature is maintained for 50 degrees Celsius. A 4:1 mixture of air and HCl passed in catalytic chamber. Here chlorine is obtained by the oxidation of hydrochloric acid. But it is found associated with HCl and O2 and moisture. It is further इसको कूलर के अंदर पास कर देते हैं. कूलर के अंदर गैसेस मिक्सचर क्या हो जाता है, इसका टेम्परेचर डाउन हो जाता है. यहाँ से गैसेस मिक्सचर को वॉशिंग टावर के अंदर पास करते हैं. जो HCl गैस की इम्प्योरिटी होती है, इट इज ऑब्जर्व बाय वाटर एंड देन द गैस मिक्सचर इज पास्ड इन एब्जॉर्प्शन टावर वेयर द मॉइस्चर is absorbed by concentrated sulfuric acid and a mixture of chlorine and nitrogen is obtained. The chlorine obtained is not pure, so it is used in the formation of bleaching powder.